Hey guys, Doug Rucker here with DougRuckerStore.com and DougRuckerSchool.com. Hey, this is a sludge sucker. Ever seen one of these? Ever used one of those? Tons of videos out there on them. But recently did a job where this came in very useful. So I'm going to talk about using a sludge sucker next. Well, if you've ever cleaned a parking lot, even driveways will sometimes have this patios. You just have low lying areas where water just, congregates. And what we try to do is usually always clean those areas first. That way we don't have to fight the water when we're trying to clean it or spend more time moving the water first, then cleaning it, then having to move it again. So one of the things you always want to do when you're cleaning concrete is look for low-lying areas. You can usually tell it would be a real dirty area where mud or it's just dirtier because the water sits there longer. And so you can fight it and keep trying to move it with pressure or with a ball valve. Even this is like 17 gallons per minute of water trying to move it. And we could eventually succeed, but sometimes it's best just to pull out the sludge sucker. So while I call it the sludge sucker, it's actually called a sludge pump. And it basically is an easy way to turn your pressure washer into a water pump. And so you can use this to move water, slurry, sludge, chemical, all kinds of things simply by hooking up your pressure washer, like the ball valve or a wand. There's a connection on the bottom that you can, I've converted to a 1/4 inch fitting so I can use a wand and a gun and stand over it instead of having to bend down into that water or whatever, using a ball valve or whatever. But very easy way to move water, displace the water, and get rid of it pretty quickly. It does not come with the 1.5 inch hose. You'll have to get that separately. You can pick that up anywhere locally, Home Depot, Lowe's, whatever. But we do sell the sludge pump itself, and you can find that available at the Doug Rucker store. But again, a very effective tool to help you move a lot of water from low-lying areas. Now, I can tell you this is not a tool that we carry every day on the truck with the hose. It takes up a little bit of space because it is 1.5 inch hose and it takes a little bit to coil that up. So it can be, a couple foot high. But it's mainly something that, as I'm doing estimates on commercial properties mostly, and I see these low-lying areas and I see something that I think is going to present a problem, then we always bring it with us just in case we need it. But even residential wise, commercial property, of course, like I said, very, very handy tool to have just in case you ever need it. Will definitely help you move that standing water so that you're not, like I always say, you want to leave it clean. So don't leave a big puddle like this because it's going to dry and it's just going to have dirt all over the place. So you either need to broom it away, you can push it with water if you can, or use something like this, the sludge pump. Okay, guys, that's it. Just wanted to make a real quick video about this and just encourage you guys maybe to get one of these in case you ever run across situations like this. Hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so that you get notifications every time I come out with something. Also, leave a comment and ask me a question. If there's anything I can help you with, just let me know. Don't forget about the online pressure washing school for those outside of the Houston area. That's available to you. And then we also have, that's at pressurecleaningschool.com. And then we also have our regular monthly hands-on training here every month in Houston. Actually go out in the field and you get in the field training. And then also classroom training. But the online video school, I think, is probably the best value out there for training, especially if you're just starting a pressure washing business. So Thanks so much for watching. And again, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you get notifications. Leave me a like, leave me a comment or a question. Y'all have an awesome, awesome, blessed day.